Hi, my name is Dallas Nachtigal, and I'm going to be your art instructor through this color course. Color can seem like it's kind of intimidating and complicated, but that's why I wanted to make this resource for you, because color is actually pretty simple. And once you get to know it better, you can really take it and run. Here on YouTube, we're going to take a really high level overview on all of the colors on the color wheel. And then in the rest of the course, I'm going to teach you about the color relationships, different color schemes, how colors relate to one another, how to use the colors, and how to use them effectively. You can find that product over on my Gumroad product page, as well as my beginner and intermediate drawing courses. If you're watching this during the special launch time, that's the pre-sale during the summer of 2022, then you get to go over to Gumroad right now and you get to purchase that. And when those videos are ready to be published, you will get the rest of that video course. Plus, you will get a bonus package today of one resource that will help you go through this mini video course better on YouTube. With all that said, it's finally time for you to dig into this video course. The next video that you're going to watch is the course introduction video. In that video, it starts with a table of contents on the left side that shows you the timestamp at which to have every single mini video that's in that teacher and student training tutorial. So if there's something that you already know, you can scroll past and just go to the segment of information that you need today. But head on over there, you're going to learn basic things about your brushes, about your watercolor paints, and about your paper. So I'll see you soon.